Hello, welcome to Nature Crafts. I'm Miss Joanne from the Metuchen Library. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to share with you a Thanksgiving Day story to get us ready for the upcoming holiday. My story is called Thanks for Thanksgiving. Of course, on Thanksgiving, it's a time to say thank you and be grateful for all the wonderful things that we have in our life. And that's where this book comes in. It teaches us of where do we start? There's so many things to be grateful for. This book is by Julie Marcus, illustrated by Doris Barrett, and the publisher is HarperCollins Publishers. Thanks for Thanksgiving. Looks like they're getting ready to have a delicious meal. Thanks for Thanksgiving. For turkey and pie. Thank you for fall and gold leaves floating by. I love that picture. Look how happy the children look. And there's so many beautiful leaves floating around them outside. Thank you for school. I love to feel smart. Do you love to feel smart? Well, coming and attending story time with me is definitely helping you to continue to get even smarter. So good for you. Thank you for music and dancing and art. Thank you for play dates, for swings, and for slides. Thank you for hopscotch and piggyback rides. Have you ever done that? Go on a grown-up's back and go and get a free ride from up there? Thanks for sweet puppies and soft, furry cats. Thank you for dress up, red shoes, and big hats. Look, even the baby is playing dress up. Thanks for umbrellas, for rain boots, and puddles. Do you have rain boots that you wear when it's raining? I do. I have big brown boots with flowers on them. It's fun to jump in the puddles while wearing those. Thank you for mommy and warm, cozy cuddles. Look at all those kittens and puppies in front of the fire. And they're enjoying a story with mommy. Thank you for daddy and rides on a sled. Boy, that looks like fun. Thank you for kisses and tucks into bed. Thanks for the moon and the stars up above. Can you see the child in the window looking up at the stars? The moon has a face on it. There's a weather vane. Weather vane tells you which way the wind is blowing. But most of all, thanks for the family I love. And I want to thank you for joining me here on the computer for Nature Crafts. I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for nature and beautiful leaves in the fall. Here's a beautiful ginkgo leaf I found outside the library this morning, and a maple, a yellow maple leaf. I'm thankful for the trees and the way that These leaves, when they fall, they twirl all different ways as they fall. My craft project for today is to make a leaf finger puppet. So you can collect nature items from outside. Mine is still a little wet, so please excuse the goopy glue. I used a toilet paper roll, and I found a pretty red leaf outside and a very thin twig, which I just poked in the side of the toilet paper roll. And these are acorn tops, which I glued on, and I added some googly eyes. But if you don't have googly eyes, maybe you could add some with construction paper or even mark or draw some on. And I also made this leaf finger puppet. He looks kind of like an owl, doesn't he? These are sticker eyes that I had, and this is a ginkgo leaf, and some little tiny flowers for the arms, and this is some bark I found outside. So I hope that you can go outside and collect some leaves and make some leaf puppets. Maybe you can put them on your Thanksgiving table when you celebrate, if you celebrate that holiday. Let's end with a Thanksgiving song to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle. Let's be thankful for this day, for our friends and for our play. Let's be thankful, let's be glad for the food and things we have. Let's give thanks for you and me and our home and family. Thank you for joining me today for Nature Crafts. Bye-bye. See you next time.